I cannot be the only one that gets really worried, anxious even, when you have to do a refactor. Because you have something that is working. Maybe it's not working great, but it's working. And then, but you know that you have to change it. You have technical debt, something that you kicked, a can that you kicked down the road, and eventually you're going to get to it because you have to get to it. And then the day comes. As you guys might know, and if you've been on Snaps today, you've seen it. We have open tests happening with Snappy right now, and it has videos. So I've been uploading videos and I've been messing around with that stuff. But as I was doing this and I was playing with stuff, I also got some messages, some DMs, and even some mentions on Hive that the reply was broken. That you would try to make a reply and it would cover the keyboard. Now that happened because when I compiled this new version in the Android version, the avoid keyboard view, I think that's how it's called, but right now I'm tired, so please forgive me, was not respected. So basically I had to, it was a change in the settings of the compiling, not the code, that broke the build. But I took it as a sign. Instead of just recompiling it again and then, with the one thing that was missing, I was like, you know what, I need to finish the refactor. It needs to be one simple composer. The same thing that you use to make a snap, a top level snap, has to be the exact same thing you use to reply to somebody, because otherwise you have duplicate code. You're not following the dry principle. You're repeating yourself. So I decided to do it, and I've been messing around with that for all day, and I think I finally got it. I submitted maybe like an hour ago to the open test, a Snappy that has the new composer. If you downloaded the one this morning, go ahead and update, and you should be good now. You should be able to do replies. If you try to download it, there was like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours where the app was broken, and I apologize. Just update it and it should work. But I wanted to put this out there for other people who code. Do you also have that fear? And it's obviously connected to imposter syndrome, that you're gonna do something, you're gonna fix something, you're gonna change some code, but what you had was working, and you don't know if you can make it work again. That is where I was mentally today. Happy to report it's working again, although I did introduce another bug, which I think I'm gonna squash here in a minute. Anyways, that's it for this vlog.